Hello everyone, this is Bruce Petrov with Home Maintenance Solution. I'm glad you're watching my channel. Today we're doing a special live feed. We're going to take down a load-bearing wall today, and I want to show you guys a little bit of the inside on that. Today we're in Washington, Missouri. Washington, Missouri is affectionately known as Washmo, and they have a lot of old architecture here, a lot of brick and plaster. You can see some of the buildings across the street that are very old. Today we're working on a 1940s style house, and we're removing a small wall between the kitchen and a small little eating area, making that thing opened up. We're also going to show you a little bit about exposed brick on a chimney too. So let's go inside and take a look. This is also a really dirty job. Plaster is always dirty, so we've got a dust mask. We always want to wear those. Always want to have ventilation too, and keep the doors closed so that it doesn't infiltrate the rest of the house. We've taken some of those precautions, but let me show you what's going on. All right, guys, we are live on YouTube. Hey, today we're working at my son-in-law house's Duncan. Hey, Duncan. They just bought this house. They're wanting to open up this space between the kitchen and the eating area. We're going to take out the entirety of this wall. Hey, Duncan, you also have a Facebook page, though, for a American-made sporting goods. What do you sell? Gloves?
Yeah, baseball
and bats?
gloves and wood bats.
Okay, so that's DW Baseball Co. on Facebook. Is that right?
Yep,
okay.
yep.
Hey, guys, if you're into baseball, visit Duncan's site. He's got a really awesome products that he sells, and he does great customer service. So what we did here is we took out the plaster on the walls, and here we've got a chimney that's in the kitchen. We're going to expose this brick for a little bit of texture and accent. We're going to have to acid wash this down and clean it up and seal it. But Mason's working on chipping that off. Mason, my son, Duncan's brother-in-law, and Jake is my son, Duncan's brother-in-law, and he's helping on this side. So you can see over here we've kind of exposed the end of the wall right there. We're going to chip that out and put a pocket in there to receive a beam up the top of here. So the next thing we're going to have to do is temporarily support this floor above in the kitchen there with a little temp wall. Then we're going to remove this top plate, and we're going to slip a beam up in the pocket that Jake makes on that side, and we're going to slide it up in this pocket on this side all the way up. All the way up, and then we're going to stack some jack studs in here to support that. So we'll show you a little bit more of what's happening later, but right now we wanted to give you a little bit of preview of what's going on. Also want to know too, how many of you guys would like to see a more detailed video about removing a wall step by step? If so, let me know in the comments. We'd love to do that for you. Another thing I wanted to point out, here's plaster from a 1940s style house. It's got this thin layer of backing. It's almost like drywall. It's a lot like drywall. In fact, they had those came in about 2-foot strips. They nailed those on the wall, then they plastered on top of that. Here's the thick layer of plaster on top of that. So if you have older house than that, you might have some slats on the wall that are called lath, and then they just squish the plaster through those slats. So it's a little different system, but either way, it's dirty, it's dusty. Use a dust mask. You can see we have a lot of mess in here. We've even got a fan. I turned it off for the video so it wouldn't be loud in the background, but we're going to turn that back on just a minute here, kind of ventilate the area, and you guys should do the same. So, all right, I hope you all like seeing this. If it helps you or you think you want more information, please let me know.